Well, hi, my name is Martin Bittencourt. I'm a Brazilian trader and I developed also some softwares for the market, especially for MT5. And this is a quick video presenting my first product, actually a free product for MT5, which is this manual trading helper indicator. Now, in short, what it does, it is aimed to help people, to help especially starter traders um, with doing backtesting and also helping uh, remembering the principles that the trader is learning about how to operate in the market. There are then two modes. The first mode shows just an empty black or other color rectangle, which essentially hides the right side of the graph, which now means you can go back here and you can draw over it, no problem. And so you can use F12 to simulate the market properly. Without the indicator, you have the traditional problem that if you are going to draw here to using F12, you have a problem here. You cannot go beyond the graph. And we only have this space here in the blue arrow at the end. So the first usage of my indicator is to create this empty space here during all the graph. So you can use F12 to do your training, your static graph training. The second use is to show an image. The idea here is that first you are going to select which width you are going to use. I'll be using here 98 pixels, they're smaller. And then here we have to put the file name of the image we want to use. It must be a bitmap image, and you have to go here in the base folder, MKL5 images. Here we have our example image. This is just an example, nothing, no big deal. So I'll drag the indicator here, put the name here, example, 98 pixels, which is the width of the image, and there you have it. And then you have this image here, which you can, for example, draw the setup you are going to operate. You can put some text here reminding some principles of how to operate the market, so it can be constantly being remembered of which setup are you going to operate and which principles you are going to follow. So that's the essence of the indicator, pretty simple, especially for those who are just starting to operate in the market. I hope it helps you all guys, and that's it.